It gives me great pleasure now to bring on board Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Chief Executive Officer of Paytm. And before I go to him, I want to just send this message across to our viewers, both on ET Now Swadesh and ET Now Hindi. From an unknown brand, it has become an unforgettable company. सपने देखो तो हिंदुस्तान में देखो और विजय शेखर शर्मा जैसे देखो. Paytm success story, it is a clear indication of making the impossible look easy. Vijay, you know, it's a very proud moment. It's a very proud moment not only for you, your employees, your investors, for all of us, because what you've done is that you've really made a dream come true. सपने देखो तो हिंदुस्तान में देखो और विजय शेखर शर्मा जैसे देखो.
थैंक यू निकुंज भाई, बहुत ही डिफरेंट तरह की फीलिंग है. मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि आज सुबह से पहले तक तो मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था कि हम आईपीओ कर रहे हैं और कर पाएंगे और होगी और कुछ ना कुछ इसमें रास्ते में आ जाता है, वैसी वाली फीलिंग होती है. तो सुबह मेरे दिल में आने लगा कि शायद आज से फील होगा कि आईपीओ कर रहे हैं और पब्लिक लिस्ट कर रहे हैं. और मैं ये बता सकता हूँ, जो आप बोल रहे हो सपने देखो, तो मैं आपको आज एक बात बोलता हूँ. इस देश में सरनेम की बड़ी इज्जत होती है, मतलब आपका सरनेम क्या है. और आज मेरा सरनेम जो बहुत ही मोस्ट कॉमन सरनेम है, उससे ज्यादा आउटलायर फीलिंग नहीं हो सकती. कितना कॉमन है उतने ही मिलियंस लोगों का सपोर्ट है. सो टुडे आई रियली फील दैट इट इज अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग टू बी इन इंडिया. आई कैन नॉट बिलीव दैट इंडिया could have some fintech technology young age company to pull off a IPO like this and have come to public listed market. Amazing feeling, Nikunj. It's an extraordinary day for all of us. And I, like you said, that it is not just for me or our team. It is actually for every entrepreneur to believe that yes, there is an India dream and you can do what you wish to and try achieving something. And obviously, we haven't yet achieved a fraction of what we can. Obviously, but this is just an acknowledgement of that there is so much of huge support, demand and need in India for us to do so much. Amazing day.
Vijay, I think your family was also there. I think I saw your son on the podium. So what did you tell your family when you were coming to the Bombay Stock Exchange? That our history banayenge and we will be part of one of the biggest companies in India now?
Yes, he was there with me, and to the family, I could only say this, that it wouldn't have been possible without this family support. And to my son, he was asking, he wanted to come to Bombay Stock Exchange to see what is this all about. And I remember मैं आपका टीवी चैनल जब देख रहा होता हूँ तो वो मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा होता है कि ये सेंसेक्स क्या है, निफ्टी क्या है, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. तो उसको मैंने 10 साल से भी कम का है, वो 9 साल का है, तो मैंने उसे सब समझा दिया था. तो मेरे से कहता है कैन आई गो टू BSE. उसने खुद मेरे से बोला था. तो मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ कि आज के दिन तो मैंने उसे नहीं समझ में आया होगा लार्जेस्ट आईपीओ क्या है, बट मैंने उसे बोला कि यस, यू विल फील द थ्रिल एंड जॉय ऑफ building something that can reach here. And I can say that family की तरफ से भी यही कहूँगा मैं कि coming from such a family background where none of us, मेरे किसी फैमिली में कोई बिजनेस वाला कभी नहीं था. हम सब लोग टीचर फैमिली से हैं. मेरे फादर टीचर रहे हैं, मेरे ग्रैंडफादर वैद्य थे विजयगढ़ में, अलीगढ़ के पास. मैं हरदुआगंज से पढ़ा हुआ हूँ. मेरी सैलरी 10,000 20,000 वो वाली कैटेगरी के लोग हैं. और कभी ये हमने जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा होगा कि आप एक कंपनी बना सकते हो. तो हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है निकुंज भाई, कि कंपनी बनाने का मतलब है कि आपकी अच्छी नौकरी नहीं लगी. एक्चुअली मैं उस बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ. 30 साल पहले जब मैं 1990 में, आप सोचो 11वीं 12वीं में आया था, तो सबसे बड़ी एस्पिरेशन थी कि अच्छी नौकरी, और सबसे अच्छी नौकरी IAS की नौकरी. ऐसी वाली बैकग्राउंड से आया हूँ. और आज मैं फक्र के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आप कहीं से भी आओ, किसी भाषा से आओ, किसी भी देश के कोने से आओ, आपको भारत में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है कुछ करने की और कुछ अपना बनाने की. So from the days of not being a good job as a benchmark to a day when building something can be a benchmark. Oh, I can't believe it.
No, I'm sure it's a very proud moment. I come from a small town, and for me it's such a pride to see what you've achieved as an entrepreneur. But Vijay, you'll appreciate that you are a listed company, and when you become listed, there is scrutiny, quarterly performance, more analyst call. Everybody will talk about the stock. Somewhere the stock is down today. I'm not getting into why, but I'm generally trying to take a general sense that where is the company headed. आप भी जानते हैं, मैं भी जानता हूँ, analysts भी जानते हैं that ये एक tough business है. It's a business where in the short term there is very limited scope to make profit. How would you defend your critics?
वेल पहली बात तो ये है कि जिन लोगों को बिजनेस के बारे में पता नहीं है उनको मैं क्रिटिक या वो भी नहीं कह सकता, क्योंकि उनको तो पता ही नहीं है. तो दे आर सिटिंग ऑन एन ओपिनियन ऑफ आर्टिकल दैट दे रेड विच इज एन ओपिनियन ऑन अ सिचुएशन. सो ओपिनियन ऑफ एन ओपिनियन के बेसिस पे कुछ कहना मैं कहूँगा बहुत लॉन्ग शॉट होता है. तो आई रिस्पेक्ट व्हाट पीपल कैन से और थिंक अबाउट इट टिल द टाइम पीरियड they understand that something new takes time to be understood. Whenever you bring a new business model, whenever you bring something new, it takes a lot for people to understand. And obviously, like you said, coming to public markets, open to public scrutiny, makes us understand that it is an obligation for us to explain what is our business model. It's not a straightforward business model. People have not seen that what you do does not earn the chunk of money. It is something, a derivative of that earns chunk of money. For example, like payment extending to financial services earns chunk of money. And obviously, we started monetization 2 years back. So we are phenomenally happy with the results that we have and results that we are seeing in our performance month on month, week on week. Obviously, stock market and analysts will hopefully see what our next few quarters are, and then they would hopefully understand by that time. The very model of that you can build a financial services company led by acquiring customers on payments is something new for this country. All investors, and I would say those who spend time and narrated and understood in person could have lot different to say versus some others. So look forward to explain to more.
In your prospectus, Vijay Bhai, you mentioned that we don't know when the company will make profit and whether it will make profit. Was that a general statement, or that is something which we should now take it seriously, that you have no plans to walk on the profit path?
That's it. नहीं, मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो ऑब्लिगेटली डिस्क्लेमर है, तो वो 100% कंपनीज को जिनके लॉस मेकिंग है, because you cannot say anything with certainty which is in future, is the reason that you have to put a disclaimer. The only certainty I can say is that we understand what we offer to the customers and what customers pay us. As a revenue model, as a business model, it is phenomenally amazing to know that what we are sitting at a cusp of. I wish I could speak the numbers of my this month, last month. Obviously, we are governed by what disclosures at a different rate of time can come. So hopefully, I can tell you something. There are large companies out there, public companies, who did something in 20 and 30 years, and we've done order of magnitude bigger and something of their size in 30 or 20 or 30 months. That level of, because we can't declare the numbers, we can't publicly talk about those numbers. I can only say this. कहते हैं ना कि जब रिजल्ट बोलेंगे तो हमें बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, और हमें बोलने की वैसे भी जरूरत नहीं. आज का दिन तो मैं ये बता सकता हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर making us part of your life. Thank you so much for having an opinion on us. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity, giving a young boy, young team, no team to give an opportunity to be part of your life and your attention. Today is day to have gratitude towards this. As far as the stock market and performance of companies concerned, I wish that a few more quarters and then we are able to a little bit talk about how our revenues or profit.
नहीं, मैं भी बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू बोलूँगा. आपके साथ हम ET Now पे करीब 10 साल से जुड़े हैं, एंड वीव सीन दिस योर वंडरफुल जर्नी फ्रॉम हाउ यू बिकम फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट टू टुडेज लिस्टेड $20 बिलियन के ऊपर है. सो थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज गिविंग योर टाइम एंड जॉइनिंग अस ऑन ऑल द टर्निंग पॉइंट्स. तो विजय जी, आज हम छोटी बात, आज हम P&L और आज हम प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी शेयर बाजार की बात नहीं करते. एक मैं I'll pick up a point of our conversation last time when we interacted before the IPO. And you said that my job as the founder and the CEO of the company is to ensure that we remain relevant in the customer. तो मेरा ये जरूर मानना है कि Paytm as a brand एक कस्टमर के लिए रेलेवेंट जरूर रहेगा
जी,
मगर बीइंग रेलेवेंट फॉर अ कस्टमर एंड बीइंग रेलेवेंट फॉर एन शेयर होल्डर्स, ये दो अलग अलग चीजें हैं. आप ये दोनों कैसे बखूबी से निभाएंगे?
वेल धीरे धीरे करके बिजनेस मॉडल समझ में आता है. बहुत सारी कंपनियां हैं. आप इंटरनेट कंपनी, चाहे वो यूएस में लिस्ट हो, चाहे टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी इंडिया में लिस्ट हो, बिकॉज हम सब लोग जब स्टॉक मार्केट में आते हैं तो मोरलेस अर्ली फर्स्ट और सेकंड कंपनियां होते हैं और सबकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मॉडल डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होती है और वो टाइम लगता है लोगों को समझने में. रेलेवेंट फॉर कस्टमर इज प्राइमरी ऑब्लिगेशन. रेलेवेंट फॉर स्टॉक मार्केट, आई थिंक रेवेन्यू मिलता रहेगा, प्रॉफिट बनता रहेगा, पैसे हम इन्वेस्ट करते रहेंगे फर्दर बिजनेस मॉडल में. उसके बाद अपने आप ही सबके साथ हो जाता है. वो तो एक मैं कहता हूँ बाय प्रोडक्ट है. स्टॉक price, I've been told, is an opinion of two people. Stock market is a opinion in short term and a weighing machine in long term. आपको पता होगा ये वाली beautiful quote. तो मेरे लिए तो आज एक ओपिनियन है, आज वैसा वाला ओपिनियन है, कल वैसा वाला ओपिनियन होगा, परसों ऐसा ओपिनियन होगा, उस दिन कैसा होगा. लॉन्ग टर्म में तो वेइंग मशीन है दोस्त. कितना फ्री कैश जनरेट करोगे वही मैटर करेगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स टू अस.
ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली, क्योंकि कोई स्टार्टअप, हालांकि अब स्टार्टअप नहीं है, मैं न्यू टेक बोलता हूँ. मैं हमारे व्यूअर्स और हमारी टीम को भी मैं बोल रहा था दैट वी शुड स्टार्ट कॉलिंग द कंपनीज नाउ एज न्यू टेक कंपनीज बिकॉज दे आर बिगर देन स्टार्टअप नाउ. सो my new tech promoters, Vijay, when I speak to them, all of them do not use the word free cash flow and profitability. And in our today's interaction, you've used the word profitability and free cash flows quite openly. So you are aware of the basic needs which market will have, and you're committed to walk on the path of profitability and generate free cash flow. कब होगा? That is debate, but होगा एक दिन
I don't
जरूर.
think. Look. I don't think. मैं फिर से बोल रहा चाहता हूँ निकुंज भाई, हमारे बिजनेस की ऑब्लिगेशन है कि हमारा बिजनेस का पर्पस क्या होता है. बिजनेस का पर्पस होता है अपने कस्टमर को कुछ सेवा, सर्विस, बिजनेस ऑफरिंग कुछ दें, एंड देन यू अर्न योर ड्यू ऑफ दैट एंड यू मेक द necessary money for what it serves and so on, and then the money that you get, you expand on that. I don't think the business obligation is to generate profit. Business obligation is to make money, invest in good of society, invest in good of the business, invest in scale of the business. Profit is a counterintuitive line item to think as a single KPI of performance. If I'm generating tons of revenue and I'm investing and I'm at a little near break even or break even, that's a better day. Or we are smaller revenue, large profit and floating at the same number. The decision is we choose to be large revenue, large investments and large scale. That's what our game is, and that is what we will be committed to. What I know is that our business generates money, and that money is what allows us to grow, and we will continue to invest more in the market. I think, when you look at the expenditure bucket, somebody can figure this out, that our net EBITDA losses are nearly of what number of people that we have recruited. What do you do with the number of people? You build future. This is a bet on the future of this country, that we will need formal financial services at scale. Paytm bought the payment to this country at 0% MDR. Paytm will bring the formal financial services to the nook and corner of the country at 0% fee, my friend. And that scale allows us to build something phenomenal. We are not here for one day. We are not here as a fireworks. We are here as shining like sun.
So, Vijay ji, can I say that what private banks did to PSU banks at the beginning of the decade, they gained market share, they changed the experience of service. A fintech and a company like Paytm could do the same to private banks?
देखिए, प्राइवेट बैंक और पीएसयू बैंक के बीच में थोड़ा मार्केट शेयर का क्वेश्चन है कि उसके पास कितना मार्केट शेयर है. सरप्राइजिंगली पेटीएम के विजन में हम होलसम हैं, हम जीरो सम नहीं है. हम उनका बिजनेस बढ़ाएंगे. बैंकों और एनबीएफसी का बिजनेस हमारे साथ पार्टनर करके बढ़ता है. हम उनके बिजनेस में से कुछ अपना पाई नहीं लेते. हम उनके कस्टमर को अपने हाईजैक करके नहीं ले जाते. हम उनके लिए कस्टमर लाते हैं, उनके लिए ये सार्थक करते हैं कि वो किस प्रकार से अपने ग्राहक को नए ग्राहक ले पाएं या फिर अपने ग्राहक को अपने तरीके से उसको फाइनेंशियल सर्विस दे पाएं. हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म है. ये मॉडल थोड़ा समझने में टाइम लग सकता है, बट जब आपको समझ में आएगा तो ये डो ऑफ कर जाता है पुरानी किसी भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को. एंड Nikunj, who better than you would have seen that when there was a time when we were pitching that you will scan a QR code to make a payment. Today, nobody asks what is that you're doing, and no shopkeeper misunderstands what this will do. We brought that change. We will bring that change in FS. That's the beauty. So I repeat it. We do not take payment market share from someone. It wasn't there. We are not going to take market share from someone. We are going to expand together for everyone, with everyone.
And you know, you have a 9-year-old son. Even my son's age is 9-year-old. और मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ, जब मैं उसके साथ जाता हूँ, पेटीएम करो, ज़रूर वो करता है. तो even you know, kids now understand the Paytm brand. So my next question, Vijay ji, is that the fintech space is getting highly is getting highly competitive. हम Paytm wallet की बात करते हैं. Paytm wallet के अंदर अब बहुत बड़े players हैं. Because of that UPI overplay, you cannot charge the customer. So do you think going forward also there would be lot of competition and the fee based model is going to get challenged? अभी हम दूसरी कंपनीज को fee based model पे value कर रहे हैं, मगर because of fintech and players like you and the government regulation, something like UIP, the fee based model itself will get challenged.
देखो निकुंज, पेटीएम वॉलेट को 0% एमडीआर पे देने का जो प्रचार प्रसार हमने किया, व्हाट वी स्टार्टेड एज अ बिगिनिंग ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग पेमेंट टू अ स्मॉल शॉप एट अ 0% एमडीआर इज व्हाट वी चैंपियन, इज व्हाट वी ब्रॉट एवरीबडी एल्स in the country to do. Today, what Paytm's model is not charging a merchant and giving merchant an opportunity to take payment at a 0% MDR from bank account, from wallet, from different payment instruments is what the way for payments is in this country and will be in this country. Paytm shows the way for what payments industry probably will be like, and that is what I was calling that my role is to keep the company most relevant. When it comes to revenue model, the smaller merchant does not need the software and the reconciliation and other complex kind of payment services. Mid-size and large size does, and that is why they pay. So surprisingly, we who champion 0% MDR payment, and that is an obligation for India's digitization of financial services, I can repeat it once again, are also the company that gives other software services and systems to mid and large size companies for which they comfortably pay. So it's an interesting movement. It's a little bit of Robin Hoodish, if you will. The small guy gets included, the large guy pays for the system. And that is what the payment model is that Paytm runs. The payment customers then get monetized on financial services and commerce. And that's what the business model that we're chasing.
Vijay ji, I know it's a very busy day for you. It's a big day for you. So I promise I'll not extend my appointment beyond our stipulated time. Just a couple of last follow-up questions. You will get about $1 billion plus into the company back. And the IPO में आपने बोला है कि आप उसमें एक्विजिशन भी कर सकते हैं, आप कस्टमर एक्वायर करने के लिए भी स्पेंड करेंगे और टेक्नोलॉजी भी स्पेंड करेंगे. तो आपने क्या वो लिस्ट बना ली है कि वो 8,000 करोड़ जो आपको मिला है वो कहाँ किधर जाएगा, या फिर वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है वो?
सर, सबसे बड़ा जो हमारा प्लान है वो हमारा पेटीएम नेटवर्क एक्सपेंशन है, जिसमें कंज्यूमर मर्चेंट को हमें बढ़ाना है और टेक्नोलॉजी को बढ़ाना है. ये हमारा प्राइमरी स्पेंड है, और हमने उसमें अपने आरएचपी में क्लियरली मार्क करा हुआ है कि कितना कितना किस बकेट में है, और ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्राइमरी यूज केस और कैपिटल का यूज है. हम करेंगे एक्सपेंडिंग द पेटीएम नेटवर्क, कंज्यूमर, मर्चेंट्स, टेक्नोलॉजी.
विजय जी, पेटीएम का मॉडल विद टाइम इवॉल्व हुआ है, कंज्यूमर इवॉल्व हुआ है, टेक्नोलॉजी इवॉल्व हुई है. इट स्टार्टेड एज अ वॉलेट कंपनी, मूव्ड इनटू पेटीएम मॉल. नाउ यू आर इन द बिजनेस ऑफ सेलिंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स, ब्रोकरेज एंड सेलिंग इंश्योरेंस. विच इज द नेक्स्ट एरिया वेयर यू वांट टू वॉक इनटू नाउ?
I think overall financial services, which is credit and insurance and wealth, remain our focus area. So if you want to ask me what is the next, I'd say payment expanding to financial services. Actually, financial services start ही हुई, जिसकी वजह से the revenue model that you're talking about also is to be understood by people more in detail. There is huge amount of heavy lifting and work that we are doing, which is what is starting to show results, at least in our business monthly numbers and so on, which is what we are very proud of. So financial services, starting from credit, is our opportunity. If we're going to focus on two things, payment and credit.
A final question, and I want to take the clock back to when you started, when you were studying. When you were shaping up your thought as a student, as an entrepreneur, who was your, in a sense, role model? And a lot of people who today are in their 20s and early 30s are now going to be looking at the Paytm success story, and they would call them as your role model. So let's talk about what have you learned from your role model and what will be your message to people who are considering you today as as their role model.
Oh, thank you. I overwhelms me. Incidentally, मैं 94 से 98 इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में रहा था, and this is the time when internet was being built up. So Mark Andreessen, if you remember, was जो कि नेट्स के फाउंडर और एंड्रीसन हॉरोविट्स जिन्होंने अपने टीममेट के साथ मिलकर बनाया, वो मेरे रोल मॉडल हुआ करते थे और आई वुड से मॉडल हुआ करते थे. And in my life, I feel deeply impacted by Steve Jobs for his what product that he got to the world. And I can only say what both of them taught is that it takes time for people to understand what technology can do. You put head down and keep working relentlessly. Keep working hard and give yourself a chance. So I could tell you this only one thing, that keep working hard and give yourself a chance to complete the purpose and the mission that you are at. That's what it is, nothing else.
And don't stop dreaming. Can I add that on your behalf? Don't stop dreaming. सपने देखना कभी मत भूलो.
Well, the short answer, then I would say that what your purpose should be a dream that you've dreamt enough so that you believe that it is the reality, and then you live through that reality, making it possible. So yes, dreaming is an obligation, making it reality is the joy of life.
And I'm sure you're today enjoying the joy of making your dream come true. Congratulations once again. In the history of corporate India, if we have to look back and talk about success stories, Paytm, the brand what you've built up from an unknown company to an unforgettable brand, it will be remembered permanently as somebody who saw dream, was able to build on his dream, and is now able to take his dream forward. Really, congratulations on your big day.
Thank you. Thank you, coach. Thank you.